Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to try some new products from Aunt Jackie's, and I'm going to try the Recovery Conditioner and Glossy Curling Jelly from the Grapeseed collection. So I've already co-washed. I'm going to start with the Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner, and it does have that grapeseed oil smell. It has the texture of custard, which took me by surprise because I've never seen a conditioner that looked like a custard. I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections. And I'm just spraying water to the first section since it's starting to dry. So if I'm rubbing the conditioner in my hands, it turned into more of a cream form. So I don't know if it's supposed to be in custard form and then turn into a cream. I haven't watched any reviews on this line because I wanted to give my first impressions on it. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have seen any reviews. The Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner is supposed to help repair excessive dry damaged hair while leaving the hair soft, smooth, and hydrated. This conditioner has wheat protein, shea butter, avocado, and tamanu oils, which all helps at keeping the hair nourished.
Don't tell me why. I know, no, you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on you're making the waves. You and I will never be safe. Be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me?
So far my curls feel really good. I can definitely see a difference. My hair is moisturized and the conditioner is thick, which is a plus for me.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me why. I know, no, you won't save my life. You're making the waves. You and I will never be safe. Be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me?
I'm going to seal in the moisture by using the argan oil from Aunt Jackie's. So you can see that the conditioner is working. It has good slip and my curls are starting to pop a bit. I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. After rinsing out the conditioner, my hair felt really soft and hydrated.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me.
You can definitely see the curl definition. Next, I'm going to apply the Glossy Curling Jelly. And it reminds me of the flaxseed gel that Aunt Jackie has as far as with how it looks.
Don't tell me why. I know you won't say.
Now I can tell you up front, when I used this jelly, the slip and shine was amazing. One of my favorite ingredients in a hair product is almond oil and marshmallow root, which this jelly has. Those ingredients always keep my hair soft and moisturized.
If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down?
So the jelly is supposed to minimize shrinkage and keep frizz to a minimum. This jelly really has my hair shiny. Most jellies or gels don't provide shine, but this jelly defined my curls while adding shine all at the same time.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life, save my life. Baby, keep on you making the waves. You and I will never be safe.
I'm applying a little more of the jelly all over, and I am highly impressed with Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Recovery Conditioner and Glossy Curly Jelly. It is a must-have, so definitely get your hands on it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later.